Shivani, turn on your camera. Good morning once again. Good morning, Shivani. Turn on your camera, please. Moksh, turn on your camera.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Yeah. So, as you all know that we have completed. Yes, Hare, you want to say me something? Hare, you want to say me something?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now, students, as you all know that we have already completed our chapter number 7, jugs and mugs, and the CET is also taken, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Now we are going to start with chapter today. Chapter number? Which chapter
8.
we are going to?
Chapter number 8.
Can you please read the name of the chapter, students?
Cards
Chapter
and
number
wheels.
8.
Cards
Cards
and wheels.
and wheels.
Cards and wheels.
So, who will tell me, raise your virtual hand, that what are we going to learn in this chapter, cards and wheels? How much you are clear with the name of the chapter? चैप्टर के नाम से आपको कितना पता लग रहा है कि what are we going to learn in this chapter? Cards
About
and wheels.
cards. About cards and wheels.
Cards and wheels.
So about cards and means I'm going to teach you about the different type of cards, different type of wheels.
Ma'am, about length. Learn about shapes. Ma'am, about shapes. Shapes.
And
Shape.
which particular shape we are going to learn?
Sphere.
Because
Sphere. Sphere and circle. Sphere and
Circle
yes,
circular.
basically we are
and
going to
circle.
learn about the circle in this chapter, right? Now we are going to play one treasure hunt game. And I only play with the students whose camera will be on. So now please, I'm giving you 1 minute time to turn on your camera and be ready in the class. We are going to play one treasure hunt game, right? Be ready. I will explain you the rules of the game. I will tell you the timing also, right? I will play only with the students whose camera will be on. Okay. Now, can I repeat? Am I audible to you all?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
As
ma'am.
we have already discussed, and you have already told me that we are going to learn about the specific shape in this chapter, which is circle. Now I want to see whether you able to identify the circular objects or not. So move around, not now. When I will say ready, then only you will move. Now the what you have to collect, you have to move to your house, move around your surroundings, and collect the objects which are circular in shape, through which object you can trace the circle also, right? So the child who will select maximum objects will be the winner of the game. Time is 1 minute. Okay, at 11:05 we will start the game.
Ma'am, can we use balls also?
No, ball is a sphere. With the ball, you cannot trace a circle.
Ma'am,
Bring the
explain this.
objects. Bring the objects through which you can draw the circle. Okay. Now, at 11:05, I will start the game. You have to move around your surroundings. You have to bring the not now.
Ma'am,
Rasta Earth, not now. Please be at your place. Otherwise, I'll not give you marks. Be at 11:05. I will start the game. Then only you will move around. Okay. So you have to move around your surroundings. You have to bring the objects which are in circular in shape. The child who will bring the maximum objects will be the winner of the game. And Jignesh is the Jignesh, you have to keep the record. If you have a notebook, pen, pencil with you, I will tell you the child name. You have to record that this child brought this game. Okay, it's 11:05. At 11:06, you have to come back at your place. Don't switch off your cameras. Your cameras to be on.
ma'am,
Now, 1, 2, 3, start. Yes, Hare.
I am outside.
It's okay. Consider. Then you just watch to the students. Go, Jignesh, you also go, bacha. You also bring your things. Please bring at 11:06. I will call that you have to come back. Time up. Come back to your place, students. Come back to your place. Time up. Please come back to your place, Pragyan, Pritika, Jignesh, Moksh. Yes,
Ma'am,
are you?
I have taken 7 objects.
Wait, I will call your name. See, I have not played, I have not run here and there because I'm already ready with my objects. So these are the example which I am giving you. If I have taken the cap of this box, with this I can trace a circle. With this I can trace a circle. With this button also I can trace a circle. With this coin also I can trace a circle, and with this bowl also I can trace a circle.
I have 6 objects.
Right? So 5, 6 objects I also have. Now one by one I will call your name. You have to show me the objects. First of all, wait a minute. Wait a minute, students. Yeah. Hold the objects in your hand. Everyone, please hold the objects in your hand. I want to click one
Ma'am, I can't
picture.
hold because I have 14 objects.
Dheer, Asta, please. Yes, hold the objects. Okay. Now, Jignesh will write. Jignesh, the child will tell his or her name. You write the name and see their object. Please show us the object the way Vedi is arranging the camera. Yes, Vedi, please arrange. Yes, very good. How many objects you have, Vedi? Vedi,
Ma'am,
can you
I
please?
have 9 objects.
9 objects. Can you please write, Jignesh? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Next child. Viha. How many objects you have?
Ma'am, 3 objects. No,
Okay.
4.
4. Can you please show us with the camera if it is possible? Okay. Okay. Yes. With this also you can trace. Very good. 4 objects. So write Vedi. We have 4. Vedi, 9. Dhwani, how many objects you have?
Ma'am, I have to count this all the clay boxes.
Oh, yes, yes.
Okay. And these also all I have to
All,
count.
all, because all have their different radius. I will explain you in the next classes.
2, 3, 4,
And the
5, 6,
size will be
7,
different.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Ma'am, I have these all small erasers.
What you have? Small?
Erasers, these are.
These are in circle shape.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So many objects you have, right?
8,
Yes.
20.
Be ready and tell the
Ma'am, I
Jignesh how many.
have 35.
Okay. Mohammed, how many you have? Very good. He is showing us. Please count. Excellent, Mohammed. Wait a minute. Mohammed, please put your camera this way only.
Ma'am,
Let me.
25, ma'am.
Yeah.
25.
I want to see your face also, Mohammed. And I want to see the objects also. Very good. Okay, good. How many objects can you please count and tell to Jignesh? Jignesh will
25,
write.
ma'am.
25. Yes, next is Moksh. Moksh, how many you have? Moksh, please turn the camera
11.
this way so that I can see if it is possible.
Ma'am, 11.
11. Can you please put it on something on the flat surface so that I can click your picture?
Wait a minute.
Jignesh, please write 11 for Moksh. Arush Miani is arranging. Let's go to Arush Miani. Yes, Arush Miani. How many you have? Arush, I want to see your face also. How many you
Ma'am,
have, Arush?
Number 20.
I want to see your face also. But your objects are not coming now. Move them, move little back. Very good. Next child. Yes, Earth.
Ma'am, 1 only.
One only. Okay.
Ma'am, for how many Arush?
Arush said 12 or 11 something. Arush, how many?
20.
20. Pragyan, how many you have?
ma'am, 12.
Can you show us? These
Mummy?
ball and globe will not come. These with this you cannot trace a circle. These are sphere in shape. Arush, you need to take out the sphere objects from your collection because we are doing the circular, the 2D object. We are not doing the 3D one.
Ma'am, you can see my.
Yes, pin Shivani. Shivani, how many you collected?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Shivani, how many you collected? Please give
3.
20.
3.
Please put your face down little.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I put this thing?
Wait a minute. Yes, Pritika. Pritika, how many you have?
Ma'am, can I put this all of this thing?
You have given the number. Yeah. Now you can remove. Put it side.
Ma'am, this is a bottle. I can make a circle from this.
Hmm.
I can make a circle from this pill pot.
Hmm.
And I can make with this.
Okay. So can you
This.
count how many objects you have together?
Ma'am, 9.
9. Can you put sit with your objects? Sit with your objects.
Okay. Ma'am, I can not sit with my object. I can just show the objects.
Okay. You cannot sit with your objects?
No.
Okay. No. Okay. Now, next, Aravapani, how many you collected?
30.
30 objects.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
30.
Okay. Now I will ask from the other students. Pritika is done, Aravapani is done, Dwani done, Pragyan is done,
Ma'am,
Arushmiani done,
Shivangini.
Arth done, Mohammed done, Vedi done. Hare is not doing. Moin Kuledi, how many you collected?
24.
24. Dheer Kinsara, how many you collected?
Ma'am, I have only one.
1. Lakshya, how many you collected?
Ma'am, 3.
3. Shivangini, how many you collected? Shivangini, how many you collected, bacha?
Excuse me, ma'am, I can say.
Yes, Asta.
Ma'am, I have 14. Ma'am, I collected 21.
Okay. Shivangani 21. Asta 14. Krishaburi, how many you collected? Krishav,
Ma'am, only one.
only one. Okay. Hiya Varma, how many you collected?
Yes, ma'am.
Hiya Varma, how many you collected? Okay. She's not answering. Jignesh, how many you collected?
No, I have to count because I count this 18 colors,
Okay.
this 10,
Mm-hmm.
29,
Okay.
30,
Hmm.
31. Ma'am, 31.
Okay.
Then this
31
ma'am,
objects.
no, 32,
32.
33.
Okay. 33 objects.
Ma'am,
So now
no,
more than this.
34, 35, 36, 37, 38.
Hmm.
Ma'am, 38, 39, and this there are the the I mean what of sketch pens.
Or more than. Means Jignesh is the winner then. Who is the second winner, Jignesh? Can you give us the name?
Ma'am Dhwani.
And
No,
who
ma'am,
is
I
the
have
third
collected
winner?
30.
I
Is
collected.
there
Ma'am, I
any?
collected
Ma'am,
25. Ma'am, 24.
Only we will announce three winners. Jignesh is saying many of
Ma'am,
the things. Then he is the
ma'am,
first.
Arav.
Arav. Second
Arav
is
third. Ma'am, second
second
Dhwani.
is Dhwani. Arav is third.
Third.
So Jignesh collected around how many?
And more than 40.
More than 40.
Ma'am, see,
And Dhwani, yeah,
these are also left.
all the kitchen, the painting, drawing, everything comes together. Okay. So, is it an interesting activity you all enjoy?
yes, ma'am.
You all enjoy, students? And the observation, observing the objects is also. Please mute your mic. Someone mic is on. Jignesh,
Ma'am,
mute your mic.
Yes,
And observing the objects. Mute your mic, Mohammed. Mohammed, mute your mic. So, what happened with this activity? Your observation power is clear now. That which objects are in the circle shape, right? That's why this is the main objective of this activity today. Now, what we have to do, you have to do now, you have to take some 5 small objects from your objects which you have collected. उसमें से छोटे objects 5 लो जिनका circular shape different हो. For example, in my collection, I have taken this one for the one big circle, then lower than this, smaller than this. Then I have taken smaller than this coin. Then I have taken button. Then I have taken this bowl and draw them, trace them in your notebooks. Suppose if you are taking one object, take one object and trace it in your notebook, right? And take the another
Ma'am,
object.
now,
Yeah, now visible, audible. Take the another
ma'am, now
object,
we have
trace it
to
in your
Ma'am,
notebook.
now,
Yeah,
ma'am, now we
now,
have
now,
to
right
trace.
now, right now. Take any 5 small size circular shapes जो छोटे हैं आपके कलेक्शन में, जो सबसे छोटे हैं 5 हैं उनको लो, because it will be done only possible to you to trace. Am I audible to you all? I hope there is no network issue.
ma'am,
So
you are.
what are you doing, Mox?
No, ma'am, in mine this is smallest.
Huh. Take 5 small objects, trace the circle in your notebook. And always, when please remove this Pragyan, remove this cube, and start doing your notebook work now.
Ma'am,
Asta,
I only. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
can I
only
take
have
this?
four things.
Who's saying I only have four things? The child who's having only four things, so वो four ही trace करेगा.
Ma'am, can I take this thing?
हाँ.
Excuse me, ma'am. We have to make circles in the notebook.
I will tell you. Wait. And whenever we do, whatever we do, drawing part here in the notebooks, always use pencil and scale in your hands. Pencil should be there. Always do the work with the pencil. Suppose this is my notebook and I have taken this cap and I want to trace it. And I want to trace the circle of this. I will take this. Wait a minute. I will take the pencil. Some pencil there. I will take the pencil and I will trace it. This way my circle is ready. Please be sure your circle should be in the proper circle and neat circle. Pritika, mute your mic, please. And neat circle, untidy circle nahi. And overwriting, kai baar kya hota hai? What happens is you see that the proper line has not been. फिर आप overwriting करते हैं. No, because this circular. What are you doing, Hare? If you can't join the class properly with the material, you please don't do these things in the class. Sit properly. Or either leave my class or turn off your camera, please. Understood now how to sit in maths class? You don't have material, you are attending your class in the driving, then it is not my fault, bacha. Don't disturb other students. Sorry, students. So as I was telling you, don't do overwriting when you are drawing the circles. Overwriting nahi karna. Neatly draw the circles and it should be circular shape. And show me, please. Tell your name, I will pin you. Next activity, what you do is, you children have A4 size paper of any color near to you. A4 size paper of any color.
I don't have.
If you have, please bring. The next activity will be on A4 size paper.
I don't have, ma'am.
If you have, then bring. Otherwise, you mute your mic and sit in the class. Please, if you have A4 size paper, bring it in the class. And please draw the 5 circles and show it to me. Mohammed, done?
Ma'am, I have drawn. Ma'am, I am starting.
Okay, please start.
Ma'am, see, I have.
Yes, Ayush is having a A4 size paper. Yeah.
First I make. Ma'am, I have.
And if you have this compass, I told you in my last class also that bring
Yeah, ma'am, I
compass
have.
also in the class.
Yeah, ma'am, we got it from geometry box.
Yes. Bring that. So what you have to do, how to arrange the
Ma'am,
compass
see.
is,
Excuse me, ma'am. See my. Ma'am,
yes. ध्वनि, not all in one circle. आपको अलग अलग draw करने हैं 5 circles.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you see my Astha?
Let me pin you, Asa. Asa, bring it little closer. Yeah, very good. Very good.
Ma'am, this will work.
Yeah, this will work. What I have to do with this compass? This is known as the compass, which is the instrument which you find in your geometry box. This is the compass, and the name of this instrument you will find in your geometry box.
Yes, ma'am.
This instrument is used for drawing the circles.
Circle.
Take one pencil, fit it into it, and
Ma'am,
how
see.
to set the level. you have to set the level this way. Your pointer of the compass and your pencil pointers will be on the same level. Either you do on your finger, or you put it on the flat surface on your table, and then you tie this. Got it? You know how to tie the pencil in this compass? Yeah. Then now what you have to do, take A4 size paper and draw a circle of any measurement. चाहे आप उसको इतना खोलो, इतना बड़ा खोलो, इतना बड़ा space लो. It's up to you how much space you take, and open this. Put your pointer of the compass in the center of the circle. For example, how you draw the circle on the A4 size paper. Put a pointer here on the center and roll this circle and make the compass with this. Make a circle with your compass this way. And don't move the compass from the center. Center से उसको move नहीं करना है, otherwise you will not able to draw the proper circle. Open your compass of any measurement. Draw the proper. Put
Ma'am,
the.
like this.
Wait
Ma'am,
a
see
minute.
my,
I will
ma'am,
check.
my circles.
Yes, Jignesh, good.
Ma'am, like this. Ma'am, my circle.
Very good, Arav. Very good. Now take
Ma'am,
another.
see.
If you have done this, Arav, with the compass.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Vedi,
See.
wait. Vedi, wait.
Bye.
Mute yourself, Vedi, for a minute. Yes, Arav, show me. Yeah, you did it with the compass, Arav. Arav,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
you draw this circle with this.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Vedi, show me. वेदी यू हैव डन दिस विद द कंपास. वेदी देखो आपके सर्कल में
Yes, ma'am.
नीचे ओवर राइटिंग आ रहा है, आपने डबल बार किया है उसको सर्कल को. इफ ओवर राइटिंग विल कम इन योर ज्योमेट्री इट विल बी रॉन्ग. जस्ट चेक वेदी, नीचे जरूर है.
Ma'am, you can see my circle.
यस, लेट मी पिन यू कृतिका.
Done, ma'am.
शो मी, शो मी प्रॉपर्ली.
Ma'am, can I do an origami paper? Ma'am, see
नो,
mine.
ऑरिगेमी पे प्रॉपर्ली नहीं होगा.
Ma'am, you can see
बिकॉज
now.
यस
Oh, my
कृतिका,
A4 size का
यस शो
paper.
मी.
See mine.
Yes. See, one of the circle is overwriting here. I can see many circles are overwritten, Mohammed. One or two circles are overwriting. जिसपे आपने पेंसिल को दो बार फेरा.
How many we have to make it?
One circle on the big paper. एक तो A4 size पे भी जो circle करना है वो big होना चाहिए. Yes, draw a
Ma'am,
big
see my.
circle on the A4 size paper. Now what you have to do, cut this circle with the scissor. Cut this circle with the scissor. This way you will get one circle. After cutting the circle on the A4 size paper, you will get the circle like this. Please cut. Done, everyone? Everyone? Or if Jignesh, you don't have A4 size, then you draw on the origami, no problem.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see it?
Which child is saying?
Ma'am, Dhvani.
Dwani, let me pin you. Yeah, cut the circle.
Okay. Ma'am, today's class is very interesting.
Good, thank you.
This chapter is very interesting. Ma'am, see mine.
Yes. Yes, who is showing me? See mine.
Mine.
Moin, let me spin you. Not visible properly.
Ma'am,
Nothing.
now.
कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है white paper पे. No, nothing is visible. आपने कट कर दिया, सर्कल काट लो, देन यू शो मी. सर्कल दिख जाएगा मुझे, पेपर पे नहीं दिख रहा
Ma'am,
है. व्हेन यू
see
कट
my.
द सर्कल, नो, ये वेरी गुड आस्था, वेरी गुड आस्था. शिवानी, आई कैन सी शिवानी. आस्था, शो मी. वेरी गुड. यस शिवानी, शो मी.
Ma'am, see this.
Please, yes, yes. Moin Kuledi can show me. Yes, Moin, I can see. Yes, Pritika. Very good. Mute your
Ma'am,
mic.
ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, very good,
Ma'am, see.
Shivani. Very good, very good. Now, children, your today home activity, you know what are you going to do? Cut different circles of different sizes and make any object. कुछ भी बना ले. सपोज आपने सर्कल्स काट किए डिफरेंट डिफरेंट साइजेस के कंपास से, छोटा बड़ा उससे बड़ा. फिर आपने एक बोट बना दी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम गिविंग यू. एक क्लाउन बना दिया, एक कैप बना दी. दिस इज माय एग्जांपल्स. So you can create any another different objects or the picture and show it to me in the next class. Okay. Prepare it. Cut the different size circles. Wait. Good, Mohammed. Mohammed.
Ma'am, can
Cut
we make an emoji?
anything you can make. बट वो अगर 5 सर्कल्स आपने किए हैं तो उन 5 सर्कल्स से आप एक इमेज बनाओगे. इफ यू हैव कटेड 10 सर्कल्स, मेक इट विद द 10 सर्कल्स वन इमेज and show it to me. What you do, you paste that circles in your A4 size paper and make an image. Okay.
Ma'am, you can send this message in the classroom.
I will send. So then you have to show me in the next class. Now what do we have to do with this circle? Hold the circle in your hand. Hold the circle in your hand. Now this is the circle. In the circle, when you were drawing with the compass, you have pointed one center. अब आप भूल गए वो सेंटर कहाँ है. You know how to find that center?
Ma'am, yes, it is a dot here.
But it is a dot. Sometime dot is not there. Then how you will
Ma'am,
find
we
it?
have
We
to
will
fold
fold
it.
it. Fold
No,
it.
you have to fold it 4
Ma'am, we
times.
will fold it 4
First
times.
fold it into the half, then again into the 1/4. Now when you open this,
Ma'am, we have to fold it.
fold it half, then again fold it to 1/4. Like, yeah. So now you can see जब बीच में जो center आया है will be your center of the circle. ये वाला. Got it? And what is the center? Center is a point from which the distance to all the points will be same. Got it? अब ये center है. This is what in the next coming
Center.
classes we will learn about the parts of the circle. Right? Because circle is a closed shape figure. Yes? It's a closed shape figure. इसके parts होते हैं. That parts we will learn in our next coming classes. One part I will tell you. This is the one part which I have discussed with you. This is the center of the circle. And what is the center of the circle? From the center of the circle, the distance will be same. अगर आप यहाँ से जाओगे यहाँ तक तो भी same length आएगी. If you draw one line from the center to the touch to the, I will tell you the name of this, what this is also called.
Ma'am, this chapter
Suppose,
is very interesting.
yes, too much interesting when you do it very.
Ma'am, can I say one thing?
Yes.
Ma'am, our last class you told me that we will start this chapter. So I already have read five pages of it.
Okay. So now suppose you have find out this center of the circle. From the center of the circle, if you draw a line from the center touching to this border of your, this is the boundary of the circle. This is called what? जो चारों तरफ जो आ रही है ना, this is the boundary of the circle. पूरा, all the complete. This is called the boundary of the circle. This is called the circumference of the circle. This is called the perimeter of the circle. पर ये different different नाम से बुलाई जाती है. This is called the perimeter. क्या होता है? The space occupied by the objects. इसको आप रखोगे कहीं पे. Suppose I am pasting it here on the paper. So the space occupied by the circle is the perimeter of the circle. The circumference of the circle. The boundary. So the line, this complete border is the boundary or the circumference of the circle. सेंटर से कोई लाइन आपने ड्रॉ करी और वो बाउंड्री पे टच कर रही है, उसका जो डिस्टेंस है विल बी सेम फ्रॉम द सेंटर. चाहे वो लाइन यहाँ से यहाँ ड्रॉ करो, whether you draw it like slanting, whether you draw it like standing, the distance from the center will be the same. Got it, everyone? So in detail about the parts of the circle, we will learn in our next coming class. So please bring this circle every day in the class. You will better understand the parts of the circle. Bring the circle every day in your live class. Thank you, students, for today's class. You have only learned the one part, which is the center of the circle. And the distance from the center of the circle to any boundary, it will be the same. Got it?
Yeah.
Thank you, students, for today's
Bye,
class.
ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye. Thank you.
Bye,